Hellmann is one of the largest privately owned freight forwarders in the world. We specialize in contract logistics, brokerage, perishables, as well as traditional freight forwarding. We have approximately 16,000 employees, and Hellmann Worldwide is based out of Osnabrück, Germany, with U.S. headquarters in Miami as well as another headquarters in Hong Kong. Despite the economic downturn, our business has continued to grow. Customers looking for tailored solutions, and that's something that Hellmann really specializes on, and we have a lot of skill sets in our toolbox, and that allows us to pick and pull what we need for the client and implement the solution they're looking for. Right now, one of the biggest challenges we're facing is, of course, the increasing focus on security. And that's something that we don't expect will go away anytime soon, especially with all the new requirements. It feels like every day something new is coming out, and that's making us having to adapt to it, implement different solutions for that, or having to deal with the system changes as needed. And actually, a lot of the security we're facing today is US-centric, but it is a global implementation. So we are having to reach out globally and implement security procedures overseas, such as CTPAT or importer security filing, or other requirements that come up across the board. One of the biggest trends we're seeing right now is the fact that the world is depending more and more on information technology. And our clients in turn are depending on us to be able to provide real-time data reporting. They want milestone measurements, they want KPIs, they want the information provided to them on demand right out of our database. And we have found that being able to provide our customers with the information timely, accurately, and as needed has helped us because it reduces the amount of dependability that the customer might have on our operations, providing information manually or on paper or any of those other means. Hellmann's relationship with Kewill started approximately 3 years ago when we issued an RFI, and we reached out to 9 different service providers, and Kewill was one of them. So during that process, we identified that there were some key points that we wanted to make sure whoever the new provider was going to be could meet those requirements. And Kewill did win out because of the ability of them to implement a solution that was tailored to our needs. It was not an off-the-shelf solution. It was something where they could take the solution and adapt it and enhance it to what we were looking for. And that was key to our decision-making process. Kewill's relationship with Hellmann has been a great one. They are skilled, they're subject matter experts in the field. Having somebody on the other side of the table who understands regulations, understands importing, understands the day-to-day brokerage activity has really benefited us. One of the values that Kewill does bring to the table is the fact that there are so many features in the system that we're able to turn on and off, depending on the operational needs, on the client's needs. It really helps implement customers quickly. Additionally, that functionality has helped us reduce our costs because it optimizes some of the keystrokes that are required to do the day-to-day transactions. Our relationship with Kewill is really a partnership because we've been able to work mutually to develop solutions, identify needs, stay ahead of industry trend, and being able to work directly with programmers and solutions folks on the Kewill side has helped us reduce the amount of time that it takes to implement a solution for one of our clients. I find that this is an exciting time for our industry because there's so many changes, so many new things in the pipeline that it keeps us real excited about it. And while it is challenging to meet some of these requirements, being able to implement the solutions that we're looking for, the needs that we're looking for so quickly, both with Kewill's assistance and our own implementations, has made it a quick turnaround time. It used to be that you would spend 3-6 months designing a process, and today you could probably do an entire implementation design within a month. So it makes it quite exciting to be able to provide solutions and implement solutions that meet both the governmental and customer requirements.